Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Peace. You just caught me in the middle of a workout, but it's great to see all of you, my holy family. I wish it was in person, but we'll have to be on video for now. And for this Faith Friday, I want to focus on giving it our all. See, look, when it comes to giving it our all, if we want to be more flexible, that means we have to stretch more, right? And if we want to build more muscle, that means we have to lift more weight. If we want to have a healthier heart, that means we need to exercise more. If we want a healthier brain, that means we have to do more problems, right? And if we want to have a stronger faith, that means we have to look to the Bible, to read more, right? And all these things, like the Bible talks about too, giving it our all is what God wants us to do, right? In Matthew 22, it says, when they asked Jesus, "Teacher, what's the greatest commandment?" And he replied and said, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind." And so how do we do that? How do we give it our all, right? And when it comes to giving it our all and giving it all back to God, we have to view every opportunity, every day that we're given the air in our lungs, right? Every day that we're alive, view it as a miracle. Just like the shirt right here, that we're all miracles, you remember that too. But to see every opportunity to grow and to get better, and any chance we even have to give it our all, that is a miracle. Albert Einstein, a famous genius, he said there's two ways to look at life. One is though nothing is a miracle, and the other, that everything is a miracle. And I choose to look at everything as a miracle, right? And I know that sometimes some of the things that our teachers are giving us, some of the assignments, some of the activities, we think that maybe they're not important, or maybe they don't matter, or maybe I don't have to give it my all or do my best, because how are they going to even know if I am doing my best? But look, God knows, right? He sees our heart, He sees our mind, He sees our soul, and He wants us to give it our all. And look, the way that we get better, the way that we do our best, right, is by making sure that we're giving the extra effort every chance that we have, right? And so it makes us better, it makes us stronger, it makes us brighter. So try that today, do it today. Go the extra mile, do the extra push-up, do the extra problem or the extra assignment, because in the end, it's going to make you an even better person. And as it relates to our faith, it's going to make you an even better Christian, right? To say that extra prayer, to read the Bible a little bit more, to make sure that you're building and growing and becoming the person that God wants you to be. Much love, peace. Got to get back to my workout. See y'all next week.